Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So I apologize once again, I'm using my cell phone. However, we just got back from the muffler shop and we now have a Super 40. Hell yeah, and it sounds so much better. I mean, not even a comparison. The drone is gone. They welded up the exhaust hangers and they added a heat shield for the shock and they fixed my tips. So I should have just gone to a muffler shop in the first place because, I mean, my God, the amount of money I wasted on Flowmaster's kit for no reason, I mean, give me a break. So anyway, let's fire her up, give you guys a chance to see how she sounds. I mean, it's cell phone video, so I can't promise much. And turn the torch off. Just so much better, and a professional sound test is coming soon, or possibly even before this video, depending on which I edit first. See you guys next time.